Hello, I'm in a 2015 Hyundai Elantra, and today I'm going to show you to open the hood. So from the driver's side here, we'll go down and you should see a release lever here that you'll pull, and that releases the safety up under the hood. If there's no tension at all at this, you'll want to go back behind this plastic, make sure all the cables and everything are tightened properly and attached. But now that we got that first step, we'll go up to the hood. In most vehicles towards the middle, you'll find a release lever. This one's right here, so I'm going to kind of pinch and lift. So pinch and lift. That's where it was hooked onto. This is what that lever looked like. I was pinching, so I was pinching like this, and that hooked on to this. Make sure this is all tight. Make sure there's no debris stuck in here preventing movement. I need some WD-40 to loosen this up. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.